We've all been there. You've gone out, you've taken your photo, you've put it in the edit suite, you've framed it up, and it doesn't quite draw the eye the way you wanted. So here is a quick tip that might just help. So we are going to look at Radial Mask Tool. Now this little feature in Lightroom can really save you, especially if your photo is looking very flat and you'd just like something inside the photo to pop. Now this could be a landscape and you want a part of a mountain to stick out, or a portrait and you just want someone's face to be more dominant in the picture. And it's so good because all it does is it changes the highlights and contrasts of where you want and leaves the rest of the photo. So let's take a look. So how do we use this tool? Well, firstly, we need a picture that you thought was going to be great, but it's actually a bit boring and bland. And that's what I have here. I took this picture of a seagull relaxing on the beach, and it's just a bit boring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tool, so emphasize the bird in the middle and start getting rid of the distraction of the background. So click on this button here with the circle, go over to the bird and just draw out your circle or your mask. Make sure it's in the right location. And straight away you can see it's starting to make it a bit more interesting, but let's just use all these effects quickly just to make him stand out a little bit more. There we are. And then the last thing you want to do as well is make sure this feather is turned up. If it's all the way down, the radiant mask actually works more like a spotlight. And as you can see, it looks like he's on stage rather than in a photo. So if we turn the feather up, it will blend the mask to the rest of the photo and just looks much better. So there you go, you can see that in 30 seconds I've just made a very bland photo look more engaging and getting you to really focus in onto the subject rather than being distracted. And you can do this to any photo, like this picture of me. Let's make it more emphasis around my face. So click and drag your mask around. And again, just manipulate the effects and you can start really making sure that you're making the viewer view what you want them to look at, not getting the eye distracted anywhere else. There you go. And then in a very short time, I've made this picture a lot more engaging. And now you know. Go forward and use that in your photography. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it actually helped you in some way, and I will see you next time. If you have a photography question you would like answered in a future video, go leave me a suggestion in the comments. And once you've done that, hit the like and subscribe button, and then I will see you very soon.